Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use H&R Block tax software. Begin by creating an account and gathering all income and deduction documents, like W-2s and Form 1099. Use the guided setup to enter personal details, choose your filing status, and confirm dependents. Follow prompts for income, deductions, and credits. Review each section for accuracy, save often, and prepare to e-file or print when finished. Open the income section and carefully type each W-2 box as displayed on your form to prevent mismatches. For freelance work, add 1099 MISC or 1099 NEC entries and track business expenses for deductions. Enter investment income and any unemployment or Social Security amounts. Use the software's help tips for unusual items and validate totals before moving to deductions so your tax calculation stays accurate and up to date. Navigate to deductions and compare the standard deduction versus itemizing to see which is better for your situation. Add mortgage interest, state taxes, and charitable contributions if you itemize, and include education and childcare credits when qualified. The software will estimate savings for each choice. Save receipts and documentation for any claimed deduction or credit. Double-check entries to ensure you maximize benefits without risking an audit or mistakes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.